If you walk down the health food aisle, you will see hundreds of products claiming to be refined, sugar-free, and sweetened with agave, nectar, honey, or fruit juice. Concentrate. The marketing implies that because these sugars come from a plant or a bee, your body treats them differently than a can of soda. This is a biochemical fallacy. Your metabolism does not care about the origin story of your food. It only cares about the molecular structure. Today we are breaking down the specific dangers of the fructose molecule and why healthy agave might be the worst sweetener on the shelf. To understand sugar, you must separate it into its two primary monomers, glucose and fructose. Glucose is the energy currency of life. Every cell in your body, from your brain to your muscles, is designed to burn glucose. When you consume it, it enters the bloodstream, triggers an insulin response, and is shuttled into your cells to be used as fuel or stored as glycogen. Fructose, on the other hand, is a different chemical structure, and it is the molecule that makes fruit taste sweet. Unlike glucose, your muscles and brain cannot use fructose for energy directly. Only one organ in the human body has the specific transporter called GLUT5, required to process it, the liver. When you drink a glass of sweetened water, the glucose disperses throughout your entire body. The fructose, however, goes straight to the liver, creating a massive metabolic bottleneck. If you eat a whole apple, the fructose trickles into the liver slowly because it is trapped in a matrix of soluble fiber. But when you consume liquid fructose like agave nectar or high fructose corn syrup, it hits the liver like a tsunami. When the liver is overwhelmed by a sudden influx of liquid fructose, it triggers a biological emergency pathway called de novo lipogenesis, literally making new fat. The liver converts excess fructose directly into triglycerides, some of which are exported into the blood, raising cardiovascular risk. Much of it gets trapped inside the liver itself. And this is the exact mechanism that drives non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, now affecting nearly 25% of the global population. This brings us to agave nectar, which is often marketed as a low-glycemic health food. High fructose corn syrup, the ultimate nutritional villain, is typically 55% fructose and 45% glucose. Agave nectar undergoes a highly industrial enzymatic process to extract its syrup, and the final product is anywhere from 70 to 90% pure fructose. It is structurally worse for your liver than the cheapest soda on the market because it does not spike your blood sugar immediately, despite bombarding your liver with fructose. It does not spike blood glucose, which is why it has a low glycemic index, but it silently drives insulin resistance from the inside out. The dose makes the poison, but the structure determines the damage. Fruit is healthy because of the fiber, not the fructose. When you strip away the fiber and concentrate the syrup, you are no longer eating plant medicine, you are drinking a hepatotoxin.